Hello students, the question is from TOC. Okay, they have given a language where y belongs to w belongs to a comma b, and twice the number of a will be thrice number of b is even. Okay, so it is always predictable, right? Because sum of odd and even will be always an even number. Okay, and there will be number of a should be even and number of a will be multiple of 3. Okay, so where n a and n b are the number of a and b in w respectively, we will define grammar g equals to v comma t comma p comma s. So where v is the means whatever the term non-terminal values are s and a. Okay, and fine, and the terminal values, this t will be a comma b, t is a comma b. Fine, so we have to define the language lg of l. Okay, so this is the thing, we have to find out the accurate value. So t is terminal values is given as a comma b, and non-terminal values are s and a. Okay, so 4 options are given and we have to define the appropriate. So from the language itself you can see the number of a is multiple of 2 and number of b is multiple of 3. Okay, so just check the a option. In the a option, what they have given as define the grammar is like this. Okay, so check the grammar. See, if you take s equals to ba, then a can be replaced with this one. So s b is possible. So this is not a multiple of 3, right? So is not a multiple of 3. So this is wrong. Okay, again check for d option. D option is s a b s, a is a and b s, and this is epsilon. Okay, now check s equals to bs. Now s can be replaced with epsilon, so again s is b. So again with the same reason d is not possible. Now check c option. C option is s a b s. Okay, now no epsilon is there. Now a is a b s. Okay, and this is epsilon, right? So in the C option, what you are getting, fine, s equals to a you can take, and this a can be defined with bs. Okay, okay, so now s again, it can contain ab. Okay, fine, you just check this one only, s belongs to a, so this can be replaced with epsilon, right? So it is generating a, so for again same reason this won't be the multiple of 3, but b option is matching with the with our language, so answer is b. Thank you.